Welcome to this new video. Today, we are going to show you how to back up and restore your Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace environments. We will walk you through the full process, setting up the connectors, configuring backup policies, running a backup, and restoring data. First, we need to connect the platform to your Microsoft 365 tenant. Log into the platform and navigate to Organizations section. Click on Add Organization. Select Microsoft 365 as the cloud platform. Choose your preferred data center location and enter your organization name. Click Continue. This screen displays all the permissions that will be granted when you deploy the Entra ID application. Now click Sign in with Microsoft and accept the application permissions. Select your server region. Add your tenant name and admin account credentials. Then click Test and Continue to verify that connection has been established successfully. Next, select your storage location. You can choose to keep your data in the Cloudiway data center or in your own Azure Blob storage. Amazon S3 will also be available in the next release. Finally, click Continue to review your configuration. Your Microsoft 365 connector is now successfully configured. If you work with Google, don't worry, you can also set up the Google Workspace connector. Click on Add Organization. Select Google Workspace as the cloud platform. Choose your preferred data center location and enter your organization name. The next step is to add your backup account and domain. Our application will test the connection and create the organization. Great! Your Google Workspace connector is now configured and ready to use. Now that your connector is set up, let's launch a Discover job to scan your tenant. Navigate to the Backup section and click on the Discover button. You can view the logs in real time. After a few seconds, the job will complete successfully, and you will see all your users displayed in the list. You can enable the mailboxes or drives you want to back up, then save your configuration. You can also customize your user experience through the Settings page. First, add your backup account password and test the connection. You can also change your storage location here. Next, go to Policies. Here, you can configure the Discover job to run automatically at the start of every backup job. You can also specify how long to retain data after a user is removed and define how licenses are managed after the grace period. Once the policy is configured, click Save. In the Schedules section, you can create automatic schedules for mailbox or drive backups. Specify the time and frequency. Once saved, enabled users will be backed up automatically. You also have the option to add your email address and select which actions trigger email notifications, such as successful backup or restore jobs. It is recommended to generate your encryption keys before starting any backup jobs. To do this, click on Generate Key Pair. Specify a password and click Generate Keys. Your backup data will be encrypted, and you will need the password and the private key to decrypt your data in case of a restore job. Make sure to store them securely. Now, let's see how to restore data after a successful backup. Navigate to the Restore section. Select the user's mailbox or drive you want to restore, then click Restore. You can specify a restore point, either the most recent backup or a specific previous version. As the restore destination, you can choose to restore the data to its original location or to a new folder. Click on the Launch button to start the job immediately. You can monitor the job status in the Backup/Restore Jobs section. The job status will move from scheduled to running and finally to history once it is complete. You can review all job details, including restored items, duration, and real-time logs.
Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos to learn more about AI readiness and other security best practices.